What's up, guys? It's Goblinman, and this is part 2 of Let's Get Jacked series. So, this workout, we're gonna do push ups, we're gonna do some ab work. I'm also gonna show you my warm up. So, let's just get started. So, we're gonna do this, we're gonna swing our arms forward. This warms up the shoulder muscles. Let me just close this fucking door. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now do backwards. Now you do this, right? You take your hand, put it like this, you squeeze it. This stretches the chest muscles. Countdown. I usually do 20 seconds. Other arm. All right. Now, neck. Because I got a stiff neck, I gotta work my neck too. Other side. Now, back. Down. Back. Be careful when you do stretching exercises, when you stretch your neck, be very, very careful. Because one time I was doing a neck exercise and I actually, the muscle right here, something happened and I damaged the muscle here and I couldn't lift my head properly for many days and it hurt like hell. So I recommend be very, very careful with neck exercises, or if you feel like it's too risky, then don't do them altogether. All right, guys. Now let's just do some wrists. All right, let's do these. Fingers, maybe, get the blood flowing. Now let's do the first exercise. All right, guys. Now let's just just do some push ups. I'd say let's go for 20 reps. Keep it low, just do 20. First set, like a warm up. All right, that was 20 reps. Remember, have good form, back straight, core muscles engaged, and control the movement. So I had a short rest. Typically, I personally, my calisthenics workouts, I rest 30 seconds to a minute. I like to keep my rest short. I like my workouts to be quick and effective because I'm a salary man. Sometimes I'm tired after work, I'm exhausted, and when I go to the park to work out or when I'm at home, I want to have like a quick, intense workout that will get me results. So let's do the second set. Feel like I'm gonna do 20 again because, as I said in the previous video, I am focusing on consistency and frequency of workouts. Because I know that if I start pushing myself like I used to, doing all these sets and doing hundreds of reps, I know that I won't be able to stick to it. So I'm keeping the volume low. I'm trying to be as consistent as I can. And then over time, I'll increase the volume, increase the intensity. So let's just hit 20 more push-ups. Shoulder width apart, feet together, core engaged. Let's pump it out. 20 reps. Take a short break and let me just talk to you guys. So I know I haven't uploaded the video in like 4 days or so, and I guess I just ran out of ideas, but I'm back at it now. Back at it. I'm gonna be posting more fitness videos. I'm gonna be making diet videos. Um, stuff like that. Also, I am working a new rap song. I'm working on the lyrics. The lyrics are good, I think, and the beat that I've chosen is nice too. So I'll just mash it together. I'll do my best, and we'll see how the work turns out. And as you can see, I do have a belly, but that was my initial plan was to eat a lot, gain some fat, gain some weight, and then start working out. So I'm able to build uh, more muscle mass, and my body can utilize all this fat, and it can help me build more muscle and pack on more muscles on my frame. Because I used to be 55 kg. Right now, I think I am like at 65. So I am 10 kg heavier, than I used to be, and that's a big weight increase, and I definitely feel it. Because even when I do pull-ups, I used to be able to do 28 pull-ups. Right now, I think I could max out maybe only 15 or 20. So yeah, I definitely feel the weight increase with my calisthenics. So let's rep out the more 20 push-ups. All right, this will be the last set. Okay, go. 20 reps, guys. Let's take a short break, and we're gonna hit some core. We're gonna do some core work. Let me just put my phone in a way where you can see me well. I know I'm out of breath, but I've been eating a lot, guys, and I'm tired. And I also had a smoke today, which I shouldn't have. And yeah, so I'm not really at this ain't my top game. All right, let's we're gonna do 20 to 30 crunches. 20 to 30 crunches to build that core. Okay, so let me just put my phone. I'm gonna put it like this, like that. And yeah, let's go for 20, 30 crunches. Okay, that was 30 reps that I just did. Because as you can see, I really gotta work on my core because I got all this belly fat that I gotta get rid of because it doesn't look good. And it's always great to have a strong core because your core it affects your stability. It affects the way you can perform exercises, the quality of your exercises. You know, core strength, core stability. It's very very important. So you guys tell me. You guys tell me. Do I look? How do I look right now? My current physique. Like, do you think I have some muscle? Do you think I look jacked? Like, what do you guys think?
You look like a bitch.
You get the fuck out of here.
No, you get the fuck out of here.
All right, guys. Let's hit 30 more fucking crunches.
Fucking monkey.
Oh.
Yeah, come on, come on. Monkey, monkey.
Hey, yo, let me work out.
Fucking donkey, I have to get to the toilet. You're stuck there for fucking 2 hours.
All right. Next set. Oh. Oh, 30 reps, guys. That was 30 fucking reps. Short break. Last set. Then after this workout, I'm gonna have a post-workout meal. I'm gonna have a nutritious big meal with, I don't know, maybe some spaghetti, some chicken, anything I can find in the fridge. I'm just gonna sit there and I'm gonna eat all of it. Cause you know, I'm trying to I'm trying to get big. You know, trying to get big and shit. Another thing is, guys, when you work out, you gotta know, you gotta have some structure in your workouts. Okay, you can't just go to the gym, go to the park, and do whatever. You need to have like a format, a structure that you follow. So you pick specific exercises that you're gonna do. You pick the amount of sets, the amount of reps, how long you're gonna rest. You stick to that, and then over time, you progressively you increase the reps, you increase the intensity of the exercise, you decrease the rest periods, or when you feel like you're like on another level, maybe you can change the format altogether and introduce more advanced exercises and maybe exercises that involve a very specific small muscle groups, you know, because when you get very muscular, uh, you're gonna have some muscle groups that are lacking, and you know those little details like your inner chest, because a lot of people don't have the inner chest, or you know, I think you get what I mean. So you start simple, you have a basic format, you do that for a while, you progressively overload,